TimmyKidsTv.
So today I'm going to be showing my new lion backpack and my new dino backpack and my new lion thing. And I've got some things in my dino backpack. So check this one out. It's got a lion face on it. And this backpack also has a lion face on it right here. It's a bit harder to see.
What can we do with the face of the lion?
Look what you can do with the face of the lion.
You have to show them.
It's gonna be a surprise, kids. And
Very good job.
then when I turn it, boom.
And what's inside of your backpack?
Let's see. It's gonna be a surprise. And here I got my own lion.
Notebooks.
One lion notebook. Two lion notebook.
And third.
Toy one notebook. I'm gonna put this back in.
Okay.
Now I'm going.
Is there something else in it?
Of course, that's wait, it's gonna be a surprise. Be patient.
Of course.
Here I've got my artificial
Pencil case.
So here I've got my pencil case. Can open and close. Open it.
Can you move your backpack a little bit so that we can see your pencil case? Thank you, very well. Show us the pencil case. Wow, what's inside?
Oh, you mean this?
Yes,
This is where you put all the pencils.
of course. What about? Okay, let's move to the Dino backpack.
Okay.
What can you tell us about Dino backpack?
Here we know about dinos that dinos have really sharp teeth, just like lions, but dinos can kill lions in one piece. Now, let's see what I've got inside. So I've got, let's see. This, a dino.
Pencil case.
A dino pencil case.
Can you open it for us?
Wait, here I've got a dino.
This is drawstring bag. Wow. Do we know the name of the dino?
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Okay, show us the pencil case. Can you open it for us, please? What does it have on the back? Huh? Oh.
Wait.
I'm waiting. We all are waiting.
Close it up. Look, I need to close my backpack. Backpack. Hey, what's this? Press this button.
Wait. We have to go up. Show us. Oh, very good.
Oh, you can see me when
Of course. And how do you put it down?
Up.
Okay, how do you put it down? Show us. And let's go down. More. And you too. Go down. We cannot see your face. Come on. Very good. Okay, now turn both of backpacks so that we can see them both. Show us. This is the dino one.
This is the dino one. And this is... Which one do you think is stronger, the lion one or the dino one? Post down in the comments.
What do we say at the end?
A hug, a kiss, and bye-bye.
Until
Next time. And don't forget to click down below to make sure if the lines are stronger or the dinos. Bye!
TimmyKidsTv